What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Jellygoon TV. Welcome back to all you beautiful people on YouTube. Thank you so much for turning into this channel, and thank you so much for being here. Before we go to the comment request, I just want to say that I started a Patreon down below, so go and support it if you want to keep the lights on this channel. Also, I have a rap channel on YouTube, AnxiousRapTv, and there's 2 songs, beautiful and fake rappers. Also, down below is there a Twitter right here at Anxious, where you can write me if you want to communicate or talk or whatever you want, business or whatever. So, back to the video. This is a comment request right here. This is a blessing of nature, so that's going to be very interesting to see. I always like to learn new cultures, to know and what is going on in the world. Actually, that's one of my prides on this channel, that I actually react to everything that is not popular, because many reaction videos, they just react to things that is popular just to get some quick cash, or quick money, or quick people to watch. But I'm actually doing this because it actually interests me in other cultures. So without further ado, let's go into this. Let's get into this. Let's go. 8-5. Call it down. Get your next wife.
Подложная Ольга.
Alright, let's go. What is this?
Лауреат и обладатель гран-при международных фестивалей этнической музыки, хомусист-виртуоз, композиция, импровизация на бубне и хомуси, благословление природы.
Let's see the nature. Let's go. Uh-oh, nature's gonna come. Whoo! Oh! Hey, 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 Woo! That's crazy. Woo! What? That's her? Oh shit. Yeah, let's go. Come on, man. Man, that's crazy she can sound like that, though. Whoa, okay. This girl is crazy, but skilled. Sounds like a cruise ship. Hey, drop the bass, drop the bass. Hey, drop the bass. Hey, drop the bass, 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 drop the bass. Let's go. What? This girl is crazy, man. She got skills. Look at that. What? Come on, man. Wow. How you play like that? On some nature. Damn. What? Wow, this girl is crazy, man. I have to say, wow. Down my way, oh, I got my cow, baby. Oh shit. I think when you take mushroom for this, you're gonna get messed up, man. Woo! Turn the bass up. Hey. Woo! Hey, 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 woo! Let's go. Mother Nature in this bitch. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Let's go. Woo! Ding 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 dong ding dong dong. Hey, it's crazy, man. Ding, ding. I see my tower beaming, mounting out, la 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 la. Hey, woo! Yo, this girl is crazy, man. I swear, man. She bring vibes. She bring vibes. Woo! Keep going. Woo! It's some crazy shit. That's some crazy shit, I swear, man. This lady has skills. She really does. Woo. It's the new techno music, man. It's the new thing. These guys are just sitting there like, what the hell just happened? Woo! And that's one person. That's crazy. Wow. Let's get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hey. Ooh. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow. That is amazing. Holy shit. That is amazing. That is the most crazy thing I have ever watched in my whole life, I swear. I have no idea what I just watched. Blessing of the Nature. Now listen to me. If you could do all those voices, I wouldn't even imagine what you do in bed, man. That's crazy. Listen, this is good music and everything, but I really don't get it. I don't understand what it is. I understand it's music from nature, and what is it? Just a genre or whatever, like a genre or whatever you call it? Like, is it just the type of music? Do they make albums? What is this, man? Can somebody please help me? Comment down below if you ever heard an album on this, or you ever seen that you could buy things like this, which I think you can, because there's different music, of course. But what a hell of a music, man. She is a Wonder Woman, man. She's really a blessing, man. That's skills, man. But yeah, wow, blessing of nature, man. That's beautiful. In 50 years, people are gonna look back at this and say, "Oh, that's what a horse sounds like." I'm just kidding. I don't know. I don't know what happens in 50 years. But anyway, guys and girls, beautiful. As I said in the beginning, I made a Patreon down below, so you could go and support it and keep the lights on this channel. We need new computer. We need lighting. We need everything. I want to take this channel to the next level. And I can do it myself. I tried to save up to myself, but I also have to go to my fiance. So it could be amazing if you wanted to support. You don't have to, but if you want to, it's cool for me. Anyway, guys and girls, if you like this video, please hit the like button down below. And if you really want to support this channel, we almost at 1,000 subscribers. And it would be massively appreciated if you would smash that like button. So please do subscribe and hit that notification bell. What I was supposed to say is hit that subscribe button and smash that subscribe button, of course. And please hit the notification bell if you want videos in the future that I upload. Massively appreciated. I love my subscribers. I love you so much. Thank you so much for the viewers and everything. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna move on into the next one. Peace.